Hey guys, would it bother you if your car had intermittent power loss and was jetting around, using more fuel? Well, the owner of this Mini had those problems and they were bothering him. So we plugged in the topdon and found that they had these fault codes for the EGR controller unit not working correctly. We've got other ones here that are just historical codes. So the ones that we're currently focused on are these EGR valves with the controller issues. So what I've done is I've pulled out the EGR, activated with bidirectionals on my topdon, and it's not moving. It looks like the EGR valve itself is seized. Okay, so with that seized, we know that the EGR valve is our problem, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to replace that. First thing I do is pop this cover off. Then we're going to take the air filter housing off. First thing I'm going to do is unplug the clip here, just a flick on there, slide up over the notch on there. Next thing you're going to do is undo this clip here. You're going to want the correct pair of pliers for this, or else it's going to be a nightmare. And just pop that off. Then what I'm going to do is use my Fackham ratchet that I recently bought from the Tool Academy to crack off these 2 8mm in the back. Now if you want to make some more room for yourself, you can pop out this fuel filter and the bracket there. To take the bracket out, you need to take this hose out to get into this 8mm in there. And there's 2 8mm in there. It gives you a little bit more space in there just to get it back in. Right, now we've got all assembled in there. The clip is a pain, so you do want to make sure you've got the right tool, or else you'd be there for hours trying to get it back on. Taking it off is easy, but make sure you have the right one to put it back on. And we've totally bought standard manufacturer's specification. Hopefully, if I click this, the mic will pick it up. That click, 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 click. So now we know that EGR valve is moving, it's now free, it's doing as it's told. We can start to rebuild all this back up and take it for a test drive. Okay, so we just took it for a test drive. We've rechecked the codes. Codes have stayed gone. It drove absolutely beautiful, if you ask me. I do quite like the way these Minis drive, in all honesty. Do think they're nice cars to drive. But anyway, it drove lovely. Time to give the keys back to the customer. Move on to the next one. Jobby is a good one.
Autumn breeze, blue skies and golden leaves, and I'll drive all day with not a care in the world. Amber eyes, you're giving me butterflies, so I'll drive all day with not a care